So picture this. You ignored every warning label in existence, took a suspicious shortcut past Mars, and now, congratulations, you're falling straight into a black hole. Not drifting, not orbiting, falling, first of all, bold move. Truly. NASA would like a word, but we'll get to that later. A black hole is basically the universe asking, what if gravity, but absolutely unhinged? It's a place where escape isn't just difficult, it's physically illegal. Even light, the overachiever of the cosmos, tries to leave and goes, nope, I live here now. And looming ahead of you is the event horizon, the ultimate cosmic boundary. Not a fence, not a wall, just a silent, invisible line in space that politely whispers, cross me and you're not coming back, ever. No exceptions. Now things stop making sense in a very confident scientific way. According to general relativity, time near a black hole doesn't just slow down, it basically hits the brakes, spills its coffee, and forgets what it was doing. From your friend's perspective, back on Earth, wow, they're moving slower than a buffering video on bad Wi-Fi. From your perspective, why is everything happening so fast and why is my life flashing forward? Here's the twist. You might actually see the future of the universe unfolding in front of you. Stars aging like they're on fast forward, galaxies colliding like cosmic bumper cars, all while you're mid-scream reconsidering every decision that led you here. It's like watching the entire history of existence on 1000x speed, except you can't pause, rewind, or exit. All right, time to address the personal consequences. Gravity here isn't polite. It doesn't pull evenly, it plays favorites. Your feet get yanked harder than your head, and suddenly your body is in a long-distance relationship with itself. This delightful process is called spaghettification. Yes, scientists really named it that. No, they were not joking. What happens? Your legs get pulled like they owe gravity money. Your torso stretches like overworked pizza dough. Your atoms start filing resignation letters. You don't just fall, you elongate dramatically. If it's a small black hole, this happens in a blink. No time to react, no time to complain, just instant cosmic noodle. If it's a supermassive one, oh, you get a few extra moments. Just enough time to think, wow, I really should have stayed home. But wait, it gets worse, because of course it does. Most black holes are surrounded by an accretion disk, a blazing spinning halo of superheated gas that looks beautiful right before it destroys you. Think of it as a cosmic frying pan, hotter than the surface of stars, radiating energy like it's personally offended by your existence. Translation? You're not just falling, you're being preheated. Before you even reach the event horizon, you're likely to be fried, zapped, atomically rearranged. So yes, the spaghetti phase might get canceled due to early roasting, not a win. Just a different loss. Let's say against all odds you manage to look around. Big mistake. Reality is no longer reliable. Stars twist into glowing rings. Space looks like it's been melted and reassembled incorrectly. And yes, you might actually see the back of your own head. Congratulations. You've become your own jump scare. Light is bending so dramatically that the universe looks like a funhouse mirror designed by chaos itself. Directions lose meaning. Up, down, left, right. Those are now just suggestions. Cross the event horizon, and that's it. No dramatic sound effect. No, are you sure prompt? Just irreversible commitment. No turning back. No signals out. No, I made a mistake button. Everything leads to the singularity, a point where density becomes infinite and physics quietly packs its bags and leaves. Scientists will openly admit, yeah, we don't fully know what happens here. Possibilities include, you're crushed into something smaller than imagination. Space and time stop behaving like space and time. You become part of a mystery that future civilizations argue about, so basically zero-star experience would not recommend. Now, because scientists are curious and slightly chaotic, they've come up with some ideas. One of them, wormholes. The theory says black holes might connect to other parts of the universe or even entirely different universes, so technically you could fall in here and pop out somewhere else. But also, the wormhole would likely collapse instantly. The journey would destroy you anyway. So yes, you might reach another universe, just not in a condition to enjoy it. Right at the center of our galaxy sits Sagittarius A, a supermassive black hole with millions of times the sun's mass. If you fell into this one, things would feel weirdly calm at first. No instant spaghetti, no immediate chaos, just a slow, graceful descent into doom. Think of it like falling into a blender, falling into a very patient blender. Either way, the ending is not negotiable. Surprisingly, yes. Thanks to Stephen Hawking, we know about Hawking radiation, a process where black holes slowly lose energy and eventually evaporate. But before you celebrate, it takes longer than the age of the universe. You will absolutely not be there to see it. Not even your atoms will RSVP. So technically, black holes do end, just not in a time frame that helps you. Let's summarize your travel experience. You get stretched into spaghetti, possibly roasted before that time glitches like a broken app. Space turns into abstract art. Physics gives up entirely, and you never come back. So should you fall into a black hole? Hard no, unless your lifelong dream is to become a very thin, very confused, extremely theoretical noodle. Falling into a black hole isn't just dangerous, it's the universe looking directly at you and saying, you had one job, stay literally anywhere else.